Hello everyone, welcome you all to Trading Architect Insights. This is a video all about the BTC analysis, and we'll be looking at how the BTC has been performing for the last few days and what kind of trades we can look forward in the coming week. Right, so this is the BTC chart which I got up here from the trading view platform. If you look at the hourly time frame, right, if we on Zoom and see the overall trend, right? This is the upward movement which has started on October 11th, right? And it has given almost like a 10,000 points or 15, 16% market has gone up, right? And from here on, can we really look forward for another upward movement till 70K or 72K? Is what we'll try to understand by going into the various time frames to see what kind of patterns that is showing up, and also we'll try to combine those patterns and our analysis with various indicators. For example, the moving average, right? Or if it is creating any a proper pattern, for example, double top or double bottom or what are the other patterns we have. We'll try to see if it is falling under any of those, and also by looking at the weekly performance, 4 hourly time frame performance, we'll try to see what kind of movement we can expect or look forward in the coming week. All right. So let's try to look at that by shifting our chart into the 4 hourly time frame. 4 hourly time frame is, I mean, if you really look at this entire section, right, from uh, top, right, from here to here, it is kind of a box plot, right? It is happening only in this box. Entire market is moving under this box. But again, this box is huge because we are now on 4 hourly time frame, and this box is like around uh, 20K, this thing, 20,000 points, right? So this one will maybe give us the high level picture on how this is happening on a higher time frame. But we need to again switch it to the shorter time frames to see, look for quicker trades, because we cannot go ahead and keep our position uh, to come out of the box and then go up or down, right? We cannot do that. So to earn quick money, we cannot just put the money and then leave it there. We are the traders, and when we are doing the intraday trading, yes, we have to be very quick in taking off our uh, losses and holding on to our profit. So we'll talk about that. So let's look at the daily time frame, right? If we look at how the market is behaving in the daily time frame, um, okay, there's a very good pattern actually people will look at, right? I'm not sure how many of you are familiar with the W pattern, right? The W pattern is it's like a letter W, and it has crossed the neckline, and it went nicely, right? And if you look at the up, the trend towards the long, if you look at this W pattern, right? Absolutely, it has given a very nice risk to reward ratio 2.4 or 2.5, right? So this is one pattern which we look at in the markets, any type of market, either it's BTC or Bank Nifty or Nifty 50, anything, right? It's a nice W pattern. What we have it here, it retested and then it has gone up. However, right now we have been trading at a place where it has taken the resistance, right? It has taken the resistance here, okay? And let me try to use this pen. Right, it has taken the resistance here, here, and here, right? and again we are trading at a same resistance point from where the market has come down, right? So what are we gonna do? I mean, is it gonna uh, come down again? We need to look for another view to see whether it's gonna still take a resistance again at the same spot, or can we look forward for the trend continuation towards the upside? But when we want to look at the trend continuation towards the upside, what are the levels what we have, right? So this is one level we can look forward, and till here we can look for, right? So these are the only two areas. So this is around we're at 68,400, and from here we can still look forward for the uptrend um, for another 3,800, or yeah, approximately 3,800 points, or around 4,000 points we can look forward. However, it may not be immediately, because uh, by looking at previous three scenarios where the market has taken the resistance at 68,500 or 68,400. So we need to see whether this is going to break, or it's going to again take a resistance and then start coming down. So that we need to closely observe. However, for if you really wanted to look forward for an uptrend, I say hold on. The reason being, I'll tell you what is the reason why you want to wait for the market to kind of perform for a few days, and then we'll take a decision, right? So this is yeah, gone. Okay. So this is the daily time frame we're looking at, right? And if we have to look for a trade, we'll try to go down. All right. So this is a picture for the daily. Let's also take a look at how this is happening on the weekly trend. Right. Let's look at the weekly trend. So if you look at the weekly trend, is absolutely on a consolidation. Is absolutely in a consolidation. All right. So it has kind of broken this box here on the 5th of August, and then again on the 2nd September, right? But again, from here only it is going upward. So this is kind of one level which we can look for on a weekly time frame, where it is taking this support, right? It has taken the support here, and let's try to see on an hourly time frame on how we can look for a trade in this BTC. Okay, let's remove this box. Um, Hourly time frame also, it is indicating little consolidation is happening right now for last 5 hours. And this consolidation again, right? I mean, if anybody is aware of the candlestick patterns, people will be able to uh, figure out whether it is going to continue towards the upside, or is it going to come down. By looking at this one strong candle which was given 181 points, right? The reason why I'm saying is this particular candlestick, it is still towards the upside, and let's look at at what level this is happening. So this is absolutely. I mean, it's already crossed the 100% of this major candle, and uh, I know as of now it is kind of starting to come down, or it's going to be an important level, right? Even if it comes down 50% of this particular candle, if it is still above the 50%, we can keep looking for the upward direction. That is one point to look at. And also, let's see how is it happening on the moving averages. Is it trading near to the moving averages? So right now I have two moving averages available on my system, exponential 9 and 20. And if you look at that, right, the market is very well um, above the 20 and 9 moving average, right? So even if it comes down, it will come down till the moving average, which is at 68,333. And from there, again, if possibility is there to continue the trend, getting the support from there. However, we need to keep it for uh, trade, the market to perform. So the if I switch back to the daily, right, it is at a very, very crucial level. I'll tell you why the market is at a very crucial level, because it is too far from the 20 EMA, 3,500 points away from 20 EMA, and it is at around points from, okay, this is 66, 68, right, almost like 2,400 points from uh, the 9 EMA. So there is a possibility of slight correction, and from there again, there is a possibility of going towards the upside. And as we're looking at the BTC on a daily time frame, if you look at what kind of a run we had, right, with FIB, and right now, if it comes down to the 66, 577 or 580, right, that's where your 9 EMA is available. At the same time, that's where the 23.6 percentile on the fib, which is available, which is one area from where the market can go up after that retracement. Otherwise, even if it comes down to the 38.2% at 65,100 points, and that is also one area from where market can go very strongly towards the upside. So it has already kind of given us a very strong upfront from 58,000 to 68,000, around 10,000 points, right? So, and also the distance between the EMAs 9 and 20, the market is performing at a very, very uh, far away from these two moving averages. So there is a possibility we need a retracement. If it happens, fine. Wait for that, the retracement to happen, and see if it takes the support at 66,500 or 65,000. Then from there is a possibility of trend continuation, right? So it has already given the follow through of three times, right? This trend, when it is started, it has continued, right? There was a red candle in between, and then continued the upward side, upward journey, and again red in between. So it has kind of started showing little weakness, because this is already like a 10,000 points which market has given. So there is a possibility of retracement towards reaching at 9 EMA, and if it takes the support, well and good. And if not, then there is a possibility of a correction till 65,000 as well. So this is on a high level how this is happening. And before you guys take any kind of trade in the market, please be very careful. These analyses are only for educational purposes only. We are not a SEBI registered uh, people, right? So just take these analyses only for your reference. Uh, we do not give any kind of tips, and we cannot be held responsible for uh, any of your trades what you guys take based on our analysis. So you consider your own analysis and talk to your financial advisor and then take a decision. But again, whatever the learnings what we have from trading architect insights, these are kind of pointers to look for, and it is again purely based on your own analysis. You always need to take your trades because I mean by looking at this, this is very nice picture. I'm looking at here, right? This one especially W pattern, and it has given a very nice upward movement for 10,000 points. So the people who ever have taken the trade from 11th of October, they've enjoyed absolutely 20,000 or sorry 10,000 points from the Bitcoin, right? Right. So these are the analysis for the Bitcoin, and please handle your risk management effectively. Pretty soon we'll be coming up with the other content on the candlestick patterns, what are the various candlesticks, what we have, and there are scenarios where I've taken the trade only based on the candlestick. However, that was like a uh, maybe I'll not say like only based on the candlestick, but also by considering that candlestick as a one item uh, which will be a signal for the reversal or what is the trend or who is in control of the market. This is what candlestick always talks about. So we look for that. I'll be coming up with content on the candlestick patterns, and we'll learn a lot of things on those. And any trade, right? We cannot take only based on one indicator or one signal, right? We need to club various other things to that, and then try to initiate trade. Right. So we will discuss about the trading psychology, candlestick patterns, and other things as well. So this is it for now. Thank you all for watching, and please maintain your risk management effectively and safeguard your trading capital. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.